Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. And today I am share my review about Gandhi and what I learned from watching his story. Gandhi was a great leader who believed in peace, truth, and non-violence. He should showed that world that problem can be solved without fighting or hurting other. One of the biggest lesson I learned is the kindness is strong than anger. Gandhi always respected people even when they disagreed with him. I also learned the importance of honesty and patness. Success does not come quickly. We must stay calm, work hard, and never give up one or goals. Another lesson is there one person can make a big difference. Gandhi inspired millions of people through his good action and positive thinking. This video motivate me to become a better person, help other, respect everyone, and solve uh, pe- uh, problem peacefully. And another important lesson I learned from Mahatma Gandhi in that true strength does not come from power of violence, it comes from patness, honesty, and self control. Gandhi believed that every person has the ability to bring positive change through peaceful action and good character. He showed us that even in the most difficult station, we should never lose hope or stop believing in truth. Is life reminds us to respect another other, forgive people, help those in need, and always stand for what is right there. Right, these values are not only important of his story but also for our daily lives as student. If he practice kindness, discipline, and honesty every day, we can become our responsible community and make our families, communities, and country proud. So overall, I really enjoyed learning about Gandhi. His life is teach us that courage, truth, and kindness can change the world. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level F at Islamabad campus. And see you next time. Allah Hafiz.